girl Lollery, CEO of Lollery's Dynasty and Lollery's Inline. So today I would like to talk about hair revamp. Many of us, and I've posted, there's a picture I will post before this, so you guys can see. So many of us think that maybe there's no reason for revamping my hair or treating my hair. Once I've lost the hair, it's gone. Or once I've used the hair to the value I want, I've paid for it, it's gone. But one thing I want you guys to know that there is no hair that is beyond revamp. There is no hair. Whether quality human hair, raw donor hair, whether synthetic or anything, there is nothing that is above revamp. Because working with revamp over the years has made me realize that many hairs that we discard and we dispose of because it's already, you have used it for like a year or 2 or 3, it's okay, you have used the money. But we think that you've used the money, yes, but we can still revive those hair back to life and even restyle them and even change the style or even color it to bring a new look out of the hair. Many of us don't think that way because I've used it, so it's gone. But I'm going to just give you an example of the picture I'm posting ahead of this video. Like I said, that hair, the customer brought it to me, like it was so funny that the customer brought to me like that. She washed the hair inside washing machine. That our sister mistakenly packed the hair with clothes into the washing machine. I'm like, when she brought that hair, I'm like, well, you know about revamp. Like there should be a solution as regards it. I just looked and looked and looked. Okay, I said let me try. Then from there, I took my time to do all the process required of the hair treatment and all. And you see in the picture that the hair came back to life. So that's enough confidence that any hair I have, any hair I want to treat, any hair that is beyond repair, whether synthetic or this thing, synthetic, let me just dispose it. It can still come back to life. Don't just discard those hairs. That they're still very valuable. With the even current situation of Nigeria and all, like that you have to spend money, a lot of money on the hair. Like you can still bring that hair, that old hair you have, like let me just try, let me just give it a try and bring it back to life. Because you never can tell. There are different ways to restyle it and make it more beautiful than even how you think it will be. Because it can come back even new and better, like the way you bought it. So why don't you give Revamp a try today? Like, you can never tell. And if you have any hair you want to revamp or treat, I'm here for you. I'm just a DM away. Just message me and we'll work it out. It doesn't have to be so expensive or no. We can talk about the price and everything will go on fine. But revamping hair brings back life into your hair. It doesn't just make the hair go back to the normal state. It brings back life. It brings back beauty to the hair. And it makes the hair look even good than you even expect the way it to be. So why don't you try Revamp today? And don't throw away those old hairs. They are very important. Like, you can style them into something new and change the look. Nobody will know that they will even think you got a new one. So why don't you try and make it new again? So I'm here for you whenever you're ready. Thank you.